Huh? You the babies. Oh, well then come here. Hi. Hi, sweetie pies. Hi. Hi. What? Hey, babies. You guys sit so pretty. Yes, you do. You sit so pretty. Oh. What? You get a piddle too? Maybe not? Right. Were you feisty? What? Are you guys silly, huh? Oh, you sit so pretty, sweetie. Oh, is that the itchy spot? Oh, there's the itchy spot. Oh, yeah, there's the itchy spot. Oh, yeah. Really? Is that so? Oh, yeah, that's the itchy spot. Oh, are you giving me puppy kisses? Hi, babies. Hi. Oh, you're feisty too, huh? Oh, you're feisty too, huh? Hey, all the babies. Hi. What, huh? Hey, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. Are you a girl or a boy? You're a buddy. Hey, buddy. What, are you going to shake? Hello. Hello. Are you going to shake again? Hello. Yeah, they're fine. Oh, somebody get stretch. Oh, get stretch. Oh, is that better? Yes. Hi, out the babies. Hi. Oh. Are we a little feisty here or what? Oh, really? Oh, really? What? Are you guys sillies? What? Come here, Mommy. Can't get you in there, huh? Huh? Can't get you in there. Hey, sweetie pie. What, you gonna shake? Okay. Hello. Hello. What? Hi, puppy. Hi, puppy. Hi. What? Hey, sweetie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. What, isn't that Mommy cooperating, huh? Huh? Isn't that Mommy cooperating? Oh, somebody get stretch. Oh. You sit so pretty. Yes, you do. You sit so pretty. Oh, my. Are they determined, Mama? Huh? Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. What, huh? Did get your tail? What's the matter? You got it. You tried to get away from him? Oh, you tried to get away from him. Hi, puppy. Hi. Yes, hi. What? Hello. Hello. Yes, hello. What? Are you silly? Yeah, are you silly? Yes, are you silly? Oh, you want up? Well, get up here. Come here. There you go. Don't let go of my skirt. There you go. Oh, my. All better? Huh? All better? Oh, you want down now? Says, I'm going to get down now. Oh, my. Hi, sweetie. What? Oh. They want to hit you bad, don't they, huh? They want that mommy person. Yeah, they want that mommy. Hi. Yes, what? You want up here too? Okay, there. Hi. Hi, dear. Hi. Yes, hello. What? I get puppy kisses too. What? Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. What? Yes, hi. Hey guys, what? You want out? Go on, get outside. Oh my. Oh, look out. Almost smashed the foot. Oh. Really? Is that so? Is that so? Really? No kidding, huh? No kidding. Really? Huh? Is that mommy not cooperating? Oh, now it's feed time? Now it's feeding time? Hey, sweetie pie. Hi, sweetie pie. Yes, hello. Gotta pass on now. Oh, you don't care. You want attention, huh? Yes, you want attention, huh? Hi, sweetie. Come here. You can get it, mommy. See, there you go. Good girl. At least I think you're a girl. Yep, you're a girr. What? Oh, you want me to hold you? Okay, come here. Is that better? Hi. What? What's all those little puppy grunts for, huh? Hi. Yes, hello. Yeah, I get puppy kisses too. You gonna go eat too? Here you go. You got a pass there, don't you, Mama? Huh? That one's like, I'm getting in too. Right, Mama? Thinking me too. Probably can't hear that, but they're quite noisy right now. Are they a little noisy, Mama, huh? They sound like little piggies. Yeah, they sound like little piggies. Good girl. There you go, good girl. Gotta get comfortable, huh? There you go. All better. Huh, Yukon, all better. Huh? All better. Mama. Everybody gotta eat now, huh? You're a good girl. Yes, you are. You're a good mama. Yeah, you're a good mommy. I'll leave you alone and let you feed. Good girl.